Deicer, but thanks to the aircraft Deicer, planes can take off safely and ice-free, no matter how freezing cold it might be. So fly on an airplane, fly with me. Oh, reverbed Deicer, it's so cold at 32 degrees and below. Water freezes, you know, turns into ice and to snow. Burr, Deicer, before spraying the planes all down, she fills up with a special compound. Water and glycol, when mixed together, just won't freeze in the coldest of weather. She does her job in 2 stages, you see. First, she removes all the ice thoroughly. Then anti-icing is applied to prevent any ice from forming on the plane once again. Burr, Deicer, reverbed Deicer, it's so cold at 32 degrees and below. Water freezes, you know, turns into ice and to snow. Burr, Deicer, reverbed Deicer, it's so cold at 32 degrees and below. Water freezes, you know, turns into ice and to snow.